Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on default comment search alt on your Reddit app. We will go to turn on the smart or know how we can do that on your Reddit app. All you have to do, you just go up here in this picture on app, you will click. Then this window show for us like this. Then you just click here on settings. Then we come to settings window here in this window. Then we just go down here and we just click here on default comment source, and it's going to show for us this window here, and you click here on alt, and like you see now default comment source alt, it's turned on now here. So that's all you have to do to turn on this mark on your Reddit app. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.